Ah, Fremine, you're home. Where did everyone else go?
Oh, they all just went out.
I see. Everyone is getting busier now that Father will be returning soon. Allow me to introduce you to my little brother, Fremine.
Hello.
Nice to meet you! Paimon is Paimon, and this is the Traveler! Oh, you sound very proud to have a diver as a...
Linny, could you come here for a moment?
What is it, Fremine? Do you have something to tell me? Okay, I see.
Is everything all right?
Oh, it's nothing. We were just discussing... Oh, before I forget, the Traveler and I collected more material.
Yes, I went diving and gathered lots of material.
That's our Fremine, always quick with the underwater work.
Looks like rain.
Oh, you're right. But wasn't it clear and...
I'm afraid that's just how it is here. It often rains on days where there are trials being held in the Opera House.
What's wrong, Fremine?
There's a legend about the rain that It said that a dragon of water once resided in Fontaine. Though we don't know where the dragon went. When I was a child, my mother told me that if I wanted to go... Hydro Dragon! Hydro Dragon! Don't cry!
If it's an elemental dragon, then having the power to make it... Let Paimon try something. Hydro Dragon, don't cry!
Doesn't seem to be of any use. It is just a legend after all.
You know, you might be a more popular magician if you understood the concept of romanticism.
Sorry, it might be because we've never met the Hydra. It rained for longer than I suspect.
Was there something you needed to do, Linny?
Yeah, some preparations for the show at the Opera House. I need to find a way to catch the... On the day of the performance, just ride the aquabus to the island of Araneus. I'll have Lynette meet you at the fountain in front of the Opera House.
Oh, are you leaving?
What is it, Fremine? I'm in a hurry. Oh, I get it. Perhaps we could trouble the Traveler to help us take these materials to the Beaumont workshop. I'm afraid that Fremine can be quite introverted, and the boss there tends to be pretty tough.
No trouble at all! Don't worry!
Sorry for the inconvenience. I'm quite useless when it comes...
Oh, no need! Hello?
Oh, hello there. New customers? Looking to buy, or do you need something made? Or...
Oh, no! We're just here to deliver some materials. Here they are. They're for making...
Ah, these must be for Magic Pockets! I could tell right away. I've already made several orders worth now. No need. They've already prepaid several batches worth. When they told me what they'd be using them for, I even offered, but they insisted on paying the full amount, saying that I had a business to run.
Whoa. So, is...
I can't say for sure, but who knows? Maybe they're...
Hey! Is this machine what you use to make stuff here? It looks...
Why use your hands when a machine can do the work? It would be a waste not to use...
But where does a big machine like that get its power from?
Ah, well... It's a little complicated, but basically, everything we usually use here in the city is powered by indemnitium.
Huh? How can trials produce.
Well, I'm not completely sure of all the details When a trial is in session, the Oratrice Mécanique d'Analyse Cardinale harvests people's belief in justice.
So that's what its other function is? But Paimon still doesn't get it. How could something unreliable like people's beliefs be turned into a stick? Oh, yeah! So that means the Hydro Archon relies on the machine to
Even though I've never heard anyone really put it that way before, it sounds like it makes sense. Besides indemnitium, we have another type of energy called pneumosia. It isn't produced by the power of the Archon, but it is unstable by nature.
I thought I'd find you hard at work, but here you are chatting the day away.
You again! Didn't I already promise you that I'd have the more I owe to Conferee of Cabra?
Yeah, but how do we know that you won't go running off by the end of this month?
Huh?
Seems business isn't so great for the workshop. We've already finished our job and delivered the materials. Maybe now's a good time to leave?
Hey, hold on. Before you go around trying to collect payments, why don't you... If Confrérie of Cabriere wants to poach clients from Northland Bank, that's fine. But I'm afraid you still owe the bank a hefty sum of mora.
You're from Northland Bank.
Traveler, Paimon! I didn't think I'd run into you here in Fontaine. What are the chances?
We're surprised to see you too. What are you doing here in Fontaine? You didn't want to stay in Snezhnaya?
Long story short, I've already been in Fontaine but it seems that fate brought our paths together today. Not only will I have some... Either way you look at it, it seems things are going to get a...
Pretty sure we'd want to avoid anything that you'd find interesting. Besides, our trip here has gone pretty well so far. Right, Travel?
Hey, you, Northland Bank boy.
Don't interrupt. It's not often I run into the Traveler like this.
What? You kidding? Aren't you the one looking for us? You really expect us to sit and twiddle? Listen to me, boy. If you want your mora...
Hey, I just said not to interrupt. Oh, by the way, Traveler.
Hey! That's way over the line! All right, boys!
Can you at least let me finish one sentence? Fine. Though the bank told me not to get rough with our you're the ones who started it. This is an act of self-defense. You two will have to be my witnesses, okay?
I'm sure this won't take long.
Who's next?
What's your deal, Brad? How are you so strong if you're just a staffer from Snezhnaya's Northland Bank? Wait, don't tell me...
Oh, now you notice. It's a little late, don't you think? Huh?
Now's my chance!
Huh. That was weird. I'm not sure. It's as if I suddenly lost control of my hot...
Strange. How could that happen?
Never mind. It doesn't matter. If I want to stay sharp, I shouldn't be relying too much on my vision anyway. Besides,
So what are you doing in Fontaine, child? And don't...
Well, I guess it's because I've been in...
Huh? What kind of reason is that? What?
I don't know. Maybe... But recently, there seems to be some sort of restless power stirring inside him.
Maybe you losing control of your vision just now is connected with that power you're feeling inside.
That is a possibility. I can't remember if I ever mentioned it before, but it was during that time I learned nearly all of my abilities. She was always quiet and very mysterious. Nobody knew where she came from or what she had been through, and she was always very... One time, I asked her why she was willing to take me on as an apprentice. Because I had awakened it, and traces of it
But what is it?
She never explained that. But my guess is that it's related to... In my dream, I was in the deepest depths of the sea, and the boundless seabed was all around me. But in front of...
A whale? Oh, that sounds familiar! When we fought against you before...
That's just an abstract form of... It takes that shape because the scene I dreamt of the whale has always been stuck in my mind.
So you used the whale as inspiration for one of your moves? Huh. Seems... So why don't you just go ask your master?
You make it sound so easy. Ever since the incident I experienced, but it's been years now, and I've still found nothing. There isn't even a...
Oh, it sounds like...
Yeah, I'm out of leads at this point, but there's nothing more I can do. It seems that strange encounters in this world... Oh, seems the time really flies when I'm talking with you. I just remembered I have somewhere else I need to...
What? More work for the Northland?
No, it's more of a personal appointment. Lately, I've been sparring with some of Fontaine's official champion
Official champion duelists?
Yep. In Fontaine, before a criminal goes to court, they're given one chance to defend. The champion duelists are all-powerful fighters selected from among the nation's best. And the duelist, so engaging in such a duel is regarded as a symbol of defending your honor. If a criminal manages to, and the worst-case scenario is that, though it's rumored that Fontaine has a death penalty, from what I can tell, no one has... So really, the only people who opt to duel are those who have suffered a grave injustice in being accused.
So, do many people actually...
Apparently, it's exceedingly rare for anyone to actually win. Fontaine probably Besides, none of the champion duelists are to be trifled with. Apparently, the one I'm meeting today, Clorend, is the strongest of the champion duelists.
Well, that's child for ya. Paimon feels like we heard...
Oh, before I forget, I want you to have...
Huh? You're...
I'm just worried that it could become uncontrollable again. I'd be pretty upset if it got in the way of my duel. Besides, I just need you to hold on to it for a short while.
Paimon knows what you're up to. You just want an excuse to come...
Whatever gave you that idea?
That sneaky guy. He said he's been... Well, seems we don't have much to do for now. Wow! Who could have seen that coming? The reporter who was barely around for most of the story was the sorry. Paimon was just surprised, that's all. Whew. Paimon never saw that. The whodunits here in Fontaine are a lot different than the light novels you see from Yai Publishing House. Both have their merit. It's so exciting to reach the moment when the mystery is uncovered, especially in the one Paimon was just reading. You should buy a copy. Oh, sorry about... Hey, shouldn't we be heading to the Opera House to see... Lenny said that the Opera House is on Aeneas, so let's go ride the Aquabus! Welcome to the Navia line. I am Elfan. The boat will be departing imminently. Please do not stick your head, hands, or other body parts outside the boat. The Aquabus operator is not responsible for any accidents or injuries resulting from doing so. Also, please remember to buy the Steambird, though I don't read it myself. The destination of the current tour is Erinias. Points of interest worth visiting include the Fountain of Lucine and the Opera Epiclese. If you look to the left in the direction we are currently traveling, you will see the famous Fontaine Research Institute up in the sky. An experiment gone wrong turned new sightseeing opportunity. Human ingenuity truly is a wondrous thing. Approaching our final destination. Please be sure to bring all your personal belongings with you as you disembark. Even though I will take any forgotten items to the lost and found, the paperwork is rather annoying, as Melusine hands are not suitable for grasping pens. Please be careful when disembarking. It has been my honor to be your tour guide this trip. Thank you.